Hi everyone, so today I'll be solving the Maths IGCSE paper code 0580, the summer 20 question paper 43. I'll be solving question number 6, so I'll get right into it. Um, in this question, we're given a diagram and we're given certain lengths and angles, and we have to calculate either an angle or a length or whatever. Anyway, so we have to calculate the value of x, which is this angle, and we're given these lengths. I'll just make small annotations to make this a bit easier for me. So this vertex is capital C, therefore I'll make the line that's opposite to it as lowercase c length. And the same for this vertex is A, so I'll make this 11 centimeters lowercase a just for convenience. And this B over here, vertex, its opposite line is this 5.3 centimeters. I'll make it lowercase b. So anyway, um, now we have these three lengths, lowercase a, b, and c, and we have to find the angle c, or for the vertex c, and that angle is the angle x. So because we're given three lengths, we have to find one angle. We can make use of the cosine rule, which is a square is equal to b square uh, plus c square minus 2bc cos a. A over here is the angle, and actually we have to find angle C. So I'll just switch this around just for clarity. So C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos A. Okay, it's just the same formula. I'm just writing it according to the variables I've put. So anyway, just one second. Okay, so I'll just plug in the values. So this is 6.9 square is equal to a square is 11 square plus 5.3 square minus 2 into a over here is 11, b over here is 5.3 cos a. So now we have to solve for a. We have to make the angle a as the subject of the formula. So 6.9 square. If I take 11 square plus 5.3 square to that side, the addition or the positives will change to the negatives, right? So it'll become minus 11 square minus 5.3 square. That is equal to negative 2 into 11 into 5.3 into cos A. And then I have to make cos A the subject of the formula. So all of these on the right hand side are being multiplied. So we have to take them to the left hand side and they'll become division. So 6.9 square minus 11 square minus 5.3 square, whole thing upon negative 2 into 11 into 5.3. And that will give us the value of cos A. I'll just type that into the calculator now. Okay, and that's cos A is equal to 0.87. Therefore, A should be equal to cos inverse of 0.87. Sorry, this isn't supposed to be there. So cos inverse of that is 29.5 degrees. So that's our answer. I'm just going to clear this part so that I have space to do the next part. Okay, moving on. Calculate the length AC. That's this length over here. Okay, so we're given one length here and we're given the corresponding angle, and we have to find this length. We don't have an angle over here, but actually now that we solve for x, which is 29.5, then the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, right? So 29.5 plus 54 plus 42, whatever that is, 180 minus that will give me the remaining angle, which is angle B. So I'll just do that on my calculator. Just for you to know, it's 180 minus the sum of everything else, which is 42 plus 54 plus 29.5. I'll just calculate that. And that's 54.5. And again, I'm doing 180 minus because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. You're supposed to know that. Okay, so we know that this is 54.5 degrees. So we now have a known length and a known angle, and we have an unknown length and a known angle. So we can use the sine rule, which is basically the ratio of the angle to the sides, and we can cross multiply to find out what the length is. Now I'll tell you what exactly I mean by that. So we can take length A upon sine of angle A is equal to length B upon sine of angle B. So this is the formula you're supposed to know. So I'll just substitute the values in here. 11 by sine, what is the angle of A? 42 is equal to length B upon angle is 54.5, so sine 54.5. And now we just have to cross multiply and solve for B. So this is 11 sine 54.5 is equal to B sine 42. Therefore, 11 sine 54.5 divided by sine 42 is equal to B, and I'll just solve for that on the calculator. You get 13.38 or 13.4 centimeters. So that's the answer for that. Now moving on to part B. So in this question, we're given that water flows at the speed of 20 centimeters per second in a rectangular channel into a lake. The width and the depth is given to us. We have to calculate the amount of water that flows from the channel into the lake in 1 hour. And by amount, I believe, okay, it's in liters. Yeah, we have to give our answers in liters. So now we're told in the first sentence that water flows at this speed. So for every second, there's about 20 centimeters length of water that moves out of the channel and pours out. That means the volume we have is going to be the volume of the rectangle, and the volume is supposed to be length into height into width, right? And over here, that's 20 into 2.5 into 15. That's 750 centimeter cube. So that's the volume of water that moves every second. Now we're asked to calculate the amount of water in liters that moves in every hour. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'll convert the centimeter cube or the volume into liters, and then I'll see how much how much water passes in that 1 hour. So over here, there's something you need to know is that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now in this case, we're given 750 centimeter cube. How many liters is that? So that's obviously supposed to be 750 divided by 1000, and that's 0.75 liters. So for every second that passes, we get 750 centimeter cube of water moving out, which is equal to 0.75 liters of water moving out. Okay, so that is for every second. So I'll just write 0.75 liters for every 1 second. That means in 1 hour, how much are we supposed to get? Now 1 hour is 60 into 60, right? Those many seconds in total. So that's 3600 seconds. We have to calculate how many liters of water passes in the channel in 3600 seconds. So that's going to be 0.75 into 3600, and that's 2,700 liters of water. I'll just write that down over here. And that's it for this question. I hope everything makes sense. If it doesn't, feel free to ask for more clarification in the comments. And please like and subscribe. If you'd like, you can check out our other videos regarding this paper. Thank you.